Thanks, Howard. Well, there's about as much fake news out there as there is pollen this time of year. It's making you mad, and I don't blame you. I want you to take a look at something here. Nancy Nickerson posted this on my Facebook wall yesterday. Nancy asked, real news or fake news? Take a look at this headline. Plane accidentally empties toilet tank over cruise ship. 23 injured. And you're thinking, that sounds interesting and plausible. I'll click on the article from the World Daily News Report. So here's the full story. Passengers sailing off the coast of Hawaii get pelted by chunks of frozen human waste that was falling from the sky. Sounds awesome. But, pun intended, the story is total BS. Scroll down through the article and you come to these pictures. They are purported to be the alleged offending frozen doo-doo and some guy here who supposedly got injured during the something that rhymes with grit storm. Now, you can do something on Google called a reverse image search. Lo and behold, this frozen poo, it's actually a picture of giant hail that somebody slapped a blue-colored filter on. And the guy who supposedly got hurt by the falling fecal, actually an Australian profiled in the Daily Mail after dislocating his neck during a soccer match. All right, so we shut that one down pretty easily. But I want to empower you so you know what to look out for when you're wondering if you're looking at fake news or not. Here's what I want you to do here. Look up in the top left. You see the URL up there? You delete everything except the home page for that site and then go there. So now you're at worlddailynewsreport.com and you're going to look to see if any of the other headlines there look suspicious. Like this one, Yoko Ono had an affair with Hillary Clinton. But you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and there, written in little letters, World News Daily Report assumes all responsibility for the satirical nature of its articles and for the fictional nature of their content. There you go. You see something on TV or on your social media feeds that has you wondering if it's not true or if somebody's trying to pull a fast one on you, let us know, like Nancy did. We're going to try to verify it for you. You can find me on Facebook or Twitter like she did at Adam Longo TV or send me an email, verify@WUSA9.com.